Put styrofoam in your freezer. If you care about saving money and every penny counts, you need to know this. Your freezer is always working to keep the temperature low. Every time you open the door, warm air rushes in. Then, the appliance has to work harder to cool the whole space back down. So, don't throw that styrofoam away. Just put it in the freezer. Take out the drawer and break the styrofoam into smaller pieces. Arrange them inside to fill the empty space. Then, slide the drawer back into the freezer. If you still have room, you can add a few more pieces. And yes, it really works. Styrofoam reduces the amount of empty space inside the freezer. When you open the door, less warm air gets in because there's less empty space to fill. That makes it easier to keep the temperature low, and the freezer uses less electricity. You can do the same thing in the fridge compartment too. If you have a large fridge but don't keep many products in it, you can line the empty shelves with pieces of styrofoam. By cutting down on empty space in both the fridge and freezer, the appliances don't have to work as hard, and you'll see lower energy bills. It's a simple home trick to save money and reduce electricity use without replacing your appliance. A snowball dropped into hot chocolate? No, it's a sweet trick you have to try. Take cotton candy and gently stretch it out. Add a handful of colorful mini marshmallows in the center. Carefully shape everything into a snowball. Drop the finished ball into hot chocolate. The cotton candy melts instantly, revealing a sweet surprise inside. It's a hit this season. Make a delicious no-bake dessert in 5 minutes. Crack 1 egg into each jar. Then add the ingredients one by one. First, 3 heaping tablespoons of sugar. Next, 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of milk. Then add 3 heaping tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Close the jar tightly and shake well until the batter is smooth and fully combined. Open the jar, add a few chocolate chips for baking, and gently mix them in. Close the jars again. Place them in a pot, pour in hot water until it reaches halfway up the jars, and put it on the stove. Cook covered for about 15 minutes. After that, carefully remove the jars and open them. Poke each cake a few times with a toothpick. Drizzle a little melted cocoa over the top so the inside stays moist. Done. The cakes turn out soft, fluffy, and intensely chocolatey. It's the perfect quick chocolate dessert, no oven and no kitchen mess. I learned this recipe while working at a bakery. I pour some honey onto a sheet of baking paper. I place a piece of butter on top. I sprinkle everything with sugar. I slice an apple and place the slices on the butter. I cover everything with a rectangular piece of puff pastry. I brush it with egg yolk and put it in the oven. I bake it for about 15 minutes at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. They turn out crispy and delicious. The apples taste amazing. I rub this powder on my freezer walls, and the ice problem disappears for a long time. While frozen food stays fresh much longer than in the fridge, excessive frost buildup can be a hassle. Too much ice reduces storage space and can affect the freezer's efficiency, increasing energy consumption. This issue is especially common in winter due to greater temperature differences between the freezer and the surrounding air. Frequent opening and storing food without airtight containers introduce moisture leading to frost formation. The solution? Simple baking soda. First, defrost the freezer, then rub baking soda onto its walls, avoiding the seals. This not only prevents ice buildup, but also eliminates unpleasant odors. To keep your freezer running efficiently, open it only when necessary, close it quickly, and never place hot food inside. Regularly check the seals and apply baking soda to the walls to keep your appliance in top condition. In Germany, keeping eggs in the freezer doesn't surprise anyone. It's a method that's been known for years, helping eggs stay fresh longer and reducing food waste. At the same time, it allows you to use them in a very practical way. Simply take a previously frozen egg out of the freezer. The way it's used is truly surprising. Prepare some aluminum foil. Tear off a piece and place the egg on it. Wrap it tightly so it's fully covered, folding the ends inward. Take a mug, put the wrapped egg inside, and pour boiling water over it. Cover the mug with a small plate and wait about 30 seconds. The sudden temperature difference causes the egg to start cooking almost immediately. After a moment, remove the plate and carefully take the egg out, preferably using a spoon so you don't burn yourself. Remove the foil and start peeling the shell. You'll see that it comes off very easily, and the egg white has a perfect texture. This way, you have a ready egg in just moments, without unnecessary preparation and without wasting food. It's perfect for a quick breakfast. Perfect poached egg straight from a strainer. This trick is taught by pros in cooking classes. Boil water in a pot and place a fine mesh metal strainer so it rests on the edges. The egg should cook with steam, not in the water. Crack the egg into the strainer and cover the pot with a lid. Steam for about 3 minutes. The white will set, and the yolk will stay runny. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cook it for 1 more minute. Now just serve it on toast. A perfect poached egg that melts with silky yolk over the bread, like breakfast in a restaurant. It's a quick and foolproof method for poached eggs, no swirling water or vinegar needed. These tights will last 10 times longer. Immerse your favorite tights in water until they are completely wet. Squeeze out the excess water. Place them in a small bag or a resealable plastic bag. Then, put them in the freezer for a few hours or even overnight. After removing them from the freezer, let them thaw and dry. Freezing the tights will make them last several times longer. This process strengthens the fibers, making the tights more resistant to everyday wear and tear, allowing them to withstand more uses without snags or holes. It's a great way to extend the life of your favorite pairs. All it takes is one simple trick to make this problem disappear for good. Put the onion in the freezer and leave it there for 10 minutes. After that, take it out and place it on a cutting board. Start slicing from the top, making a few cuts along the length, then turn it and chop it into smaller pieces. The result? Cutting becomes quick, easy, and best of all, no more burning, watery eyes. Put a cup with a coin in your freezer before leaving for vacation. You'll thank me later. It may sound strange, but it's a clever and effective trick that can protect you from an unexpected situation. All you need is a regular cup and some water. Fill the cup with water and carefully place it in the freezer so it doesn't spill. Once the water is completely frozen, place a coin on top of the ice. It doesn't matter what kind of coin. Close the freezer and enjoy your vacation with peace of mind. When you return, check where the coin is. If it's still on top of the ice, it means your freezer worked properly the whole time, and your food is still safe to eat. But if the coin has sunk to the bottom, it means there was a power outage and the water melted, then refroze after the power came back. This simple test also works if you're expecting a storm, strong winds, or anything else that could cause power interruptions. It's a clear sign your frozen food may have thawed and should not be eaten. A simple trick that can make a big difference.